DelPD Pumps and Gears. We move with purpose. Imagine a world where every bit of liquid moves with purpose and skill. It's a world where every drop tells a story of hard work and chasing top quality. Where every tiny bit of viscous, semi-viscous, and non-viscous liquid moves in pumps, powering our lives, nourishing our land, and supporting our businesses. Stepping into a world of top-notch engineering and trust, we are DelPD Pumps and Gears. Since 1980, we started a journey. It wasn't just to make pumps, but to completely rethink them. Our road was tough, with a tricky gear pump market and doubt from others, but we always moved forward with a spirit of innovation. Our new ideas, like the RotoDel rotary gear pump and others, didn't just show up, they led the way, beating out the usual options with efficiency, compactness, low noise, and a strong promise of good performance. Trust in us has been built over years, proven by great performance and supported by a client list that includes big names in the public and private sectors. Recommended by top consultants, our path is lit by reliability and unmatched quality. Our research helped us bust myths and present gear pumps that go above and beyond, smashing expectations and quietly disproving doubts with our top-tier designs and outcomes. From our gear pump, HGN, in 1980, twin gear pump, RDRN, in 1990, to the triple twin gear pump, NDX, in 2000, every model is a step towards never-seen-before efficiency and reliability. Our workspaces, where tech and human skill combine, are more than just factories. They're the places where new ideas take shape, setting the standards that last for decades. We touch lives and power industries, driving growth not just as machines, but as vital pathways that boost and drive progress in many areas. Holding on to our rich history, we look to the future, aiming for new breakthroughs, sustainable solutions, and continuing the movement of powerful, enabled flow. DelPD Pumps and Gears. Every drop tells a story of excellence. Diving into our process shows a manufacturing world where detail meets power. Advanced machines, accurate tools, and strict quality checks make sure every pump we make shows our skills and expertise. Our pumps give life to many applications in various sectors, from gently dealing with the oil and power sector, ensuring purity in the pharma and food sector, to strongly powering machinery in road construction equipment and robustly helping steel and cement sectors. Our solutions weave into many industries. Quality is a key part of who we are, confirmed by high-level certifications that reflect our commitment. Our quality management and safety in explosive environments are proven in every stage of manufacturing. Our directors, who dared to dream of a future where quality and innovation are key, have navigated DelPD Pumps and Gears into being a trusted name in fluid management. The focus of DelPD Pumps is not just heard locally, but globally. With a big presence in over 20 countries, our pumps, powered by Indian craftsmanship, voice our tech and manufacturing skills worldwide. Team DelPD Pumps, our strength. At the core of DelPD Pumps, there's a team heartbeat, steady and strong. Our team, this mix of engineers, admin, innovators, and dreamers, create our past and future. We do more than employ, we empower. Our people dive into a sea of chances, navigating through learning and growth in a space where ideas blossom and every voice matters. We're more than just colleagues. We're family, celebrating wins together, supporting through hard times. We build not just pumps, but relationships, strong with trust and shared dreams. DelPD Pumps and Gears, where every drop tells a simple yet beautiful story of excellence.